Hello there, this is the XDA developers website. So first things first, you have to sign up for an account so you could access this thread that contains the post by Symbionizer Ariel Ann that contains the instructions and the files needed for rooting the Android O+ 8.7. So as you've noticed, I have decolored the other parts of the screen, and you should only download the colored ones. So that would be 3 MTK files and the boot rar file. So now after downloading 4 of these files, you should find them at the downloads folder. So these 3 MTKXX files and the boot rar file. And one final thing is to download the SP Flash tool, which I'm gonna give the link to the website right below this video. So this is used to load the scatter text, also used for the routing scheme. Not to forget the boot .rar file. You have also to extract it before we could open the SP Flash tool. This is very important that you extract this file and remember where it's placed. What we have to do now is to extract the files. So basically I have already extracted the 3 parts of this zip file. So when you extract these files, it's gonna ask you to load the second part, then the third part. So after that, it's gonna yield this folder, and this is fairly easy. It is basically just installing the driver, the USB driver for the Android device. So there you go, that easy. It's just the extraction part that's a bit complex, since the file was too large for the Symbionizer to upload. So now the next part is to extract the SP Flash tool, and again, since I have already extracted the file, so here it is, the folder. There you go, the Flash tool icon, the blue one. So you just basically click it and a window should appear. Now we click the scatter loading button, and you notice the boot file. So this is not the right one, so I'm gonna rename this. So I'm gonna post that the file name below this video again, so you would have a hard time looking for the name. So make sure it appears, okay? So now this should appear if you've done everything correctly. Now we're gonna find that, if you remember the boot rar file, so we're gonna check the boot img, and we're gonna click it and find that file that we have extracted earlier, the boot rar file. the download. So this is it. So we're just gonna click it and open. Okay, so that should appear beside the boot img. So just click download, and it's gonna ask you to insert the device for a couple of seconds. So that's basically it. One thing is, do not forget to put your Android phone on USB debugging mode. This, in other terms, this is basically just allowing your Android device for development purposes, or for uploading, or for developer purposes. You'll know when the downloading is already done when you see a green circle. A green circle should appear on the PC screen, the flash tool window, and you'll have to eject the Android device from your PC, and all you have to do is reboot the phone, and the Android phone is already rooted. There are lots of apps on the Android market that you could use to remove the system applications, but I warn you not to delete every application that is found on the phone. It would render your device useless. So just uninstall those applications that you are sure that would not affect your Android device's functionality. So basically, I just uninstalled the Fruit Ninja, the Angry Bird game applications. Also, some pre-installed apps like the Facebook, the Twitter app, and those apps that you could basically download again at the App Store. But this time you could move these applications to your SD card using an application like the Move to SD application, which is available on the app market. So basically, those are it, and I hope this video has helped you, and